Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Bryant Vongsaly, aka Brian V. This is Brian Fi the song. Brian Fi? I'm using it. What's up, guys? So today I actually wanted to do a cover of a song. I want to kind of show you through the process of the beginning to the end of it. And yeah, so today's song would be "Someone You Love" by Capaldi. And this is let's go. So this is the melody. When I first start doing melodies or any cover of songs, I figure out the kind of underlying like main melody in the whole song, and I listen to a song for like a week straight because I really like it. And I don't know about y'all, but I be putting songs on repeat, beat all the dang time. And yeah, that's what I get. So basically, I would listen to the song over and over and try to kind of get the melody, and I would like hum it out while I try to put on here. I just got FL keys right here, so. Oh, okay, there. I think we got it. Let's put it on here. That's it. I'm done. Let's go. JK. And then from here, I would create just some chords and melody for this whole thing. So let's go ahead and do that. 3 hours later. Okay, so I actually came up with this chord. Actually took me longer than I thought it would, so I probably did like a time skip kind of thingy, but this is what I got so far. Some chords, it sounds kind of robotic in a way, like someone's like that, and nobody plays like that. So we're gonna make this a little better by going to tools, and then you go to strum, and this makes it kind of like more humanized, and kind of mess up how you like mess with the velocity a little bit, so it sounds even more like right there. Mess with the velocity a little bit more. It's really tedious, but I feel like you should really take your time on this, on the melody, because I feel like the melody the melody is like the main driving force of a whole song. Most people that I see making music start with melodies. So do it. That's not too bad. So what I would usually do now, if I got like the melody out, I did one before, but I didn't like it, so I did it again. And then in FL Studio 12, you can actually export it directly from here now. I like exporting things because it saves up a lot of space on your CPU, and you can do a lot of cool effects to it afterwards. So you right click it, render as audio clip. Cut remainder. I always want to do it as wave because that's like the highest thingy mabob. Just doing wave. Here we got this cool little pattern. Now we got a waveform. Let's add some few effects on here, like the EQ, some of that low end, and it also opens up the rest of the EQ over here and over here from your other instruments or your vocals. There's more space for them. Add some Saturn to it. Add some warmth. Add some isotope vinyl. Give it that lo-fi kind of sound to it. Throw some halftime on there. like to put a little bit of halftime just to give it that low end. I guess we're turning this song kind of like a trap R&B type of song, lo-fi-ish kind of thing. I figured out later. I don't know where I'm going with this, so we going. Kind of like that. So a little bit of it, you kind of hear it, but not really. But you know it's there. So we're gonna export this as well because it's got a lot of effects on it. It's gonna kill my CPU. Melodies sound nice, so let's go ahead and make some kicks. I like those kicks better. It's got a snare. Let's add some hi-hats. Keep it simple. So this is where I learned not too long ago how to like really bring out your hi-hats. You kind of mess with the velocity. You'll see what every other one I like to, if I see like if I have like a triple in a row, mess with the velocity kind of like this. Now let's add some perkies. Percocet. Okay, so I think I'm done with the perks for now. So let's make a bass. Sounds kind of funky. I don't know why I kind of like this. I think we use this. With the bass, I'm just kind of following the main melody. So let's export that so we could do some cool stuff to it. So I'm just gonna cut out a lot of everything else besides the low end, basically. Some effects. Doesn't sound too bad. So let's add an 808. Why not? So when you get an 808, like a sample or anything, you want to make sure that's like in the key, you know. So what I would do, go to edit an audio editor, go right here, put detect pitch regions, and you see right here it's an E. So you go here, go to the piano thing, click on the E. Now it's on the C. And I would also take off the attack, put the hold all the way, take this you don't need that. That way when you press it, it'll hold until you let it go. Also, don't forget to go right click on your sample and cut itself. So like when you play it, it'll cut itself. The 808, I'm kind of just gonna follow the kick itself. I'm just gonna follow the bass line itself. So here am I again. I ran out of time earlier because I got to go to work. So it's just a continuation of what I was doing. I was working on the 808s, and this is basically what I got. And I think I said it before, but every time you do an 808 pattern, you kind of want to put it on like a higher octave so you know what it sounds like. Because you have it all the way down there, you don't really know what it sounds like. You kind of do, but not really. Keep it in simple, and then I bring this down. Just select all, Control A, and then you can actually shift the whole thing down. Just Control down arrow, and then you can go up, down, up, down. So I'm kind of do a little bit of arranging, just a little bit, just a little tiny bit. Maybe have the 808s over here coming through. Like the intro kind of verse, like let's add a little slide. Let's see. Slides are pretty easy in FL Studio. Kind of just double click it, double left click it, and slide. Let's bring this up so it's more noticeable. Let's shorten it so little subtle slides. Okay, so let's make a counter melody. Hold on. Let's go with that. Let's go with that one. Export that, kind of digging it. Put this sucker right here. Do some EQ. Okay, my bad. Tutorial or how-to video. Let's add some little effects into this sucker. If you can tell, I like Saturn. No, I gotta throw the halftime on there. Halftime. I don't even know where it is. Halftime, where you go? Halftime. Oh, there you go. Some kind of chill R&B-ish rap vibe I got going on right now. I don't know. It's happening. It's gonna happen. I'll be back, and y'all can see my pro recording studio next. Okay, so it's recording the Vox time. So I give you a little tour of my infamous professional vocal booth, aka my closet. Welcome. This is where this is where I record my vocals. See my microphone and my closet. It's actually pretty decent because it deadens everything, because all these custom made sound absorbing clothes. And this is how we record. But check this out. Every time I record though, I have to, here, I'll show you guys. Hold on. Okay, so I gotta hit record. I gotta run in my closet. Ah! Okay, I made it. I made it. Basically, I have to go through every time to record it, but yeah, it works. You know what? I think that's good. That's good. That's like I think that's pretty good. I think I'm done. You know, I think I'm just gonna arrange this by myself and throw down the lyrics. Going under, and this time I feel there's no one to save me. Oh, it's all or nothing, really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall. You're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you know. Thanks for watching, guys. If you actually made it through the whole video, give me a thumbs up. Or if you have any suggestions or just want to tell me I smell like poop, just leave it in the comments. I actually have a link to the actual whole cover in the description and somewhere around here. And if you want to see more videos like this, give me a subscribe. But if you didn't like it, then that's okay too.